Now I'm going to share with you the 3 secrets where losing 5 pounds could be easy and sustainable. Okay, so here's the index, and it starts with I finally have found a way to lose weight in an easy and sustainable way. So before we do that, I want you to know the mechanism of losing your body fat. And the first principle, as you see in the red, if your calorie burnt is more than your calorie intake, then you're going to lose the body fat, of course. But so many people consume 4,000 to 5,000 calories per day in a restaurant, and then they expect that they will burn it off by going to the gym for 1 hour, which is burning 500 to up to maybe 800 calories. And that's not going to happen. So there's 2 ways to lose the body fat. The first one is to increase the left side, your calorie burned, and the second way is to decrease your calorie intake. So the first one, meaning burning calories off by vigorous exercising, and the second one, controlling your eating habits so that you eat less calories than you burn, then my recommendation is the latter option, which is controlling your eating so that you eat less than you burn, while you also control your nutrients, nutrition. So here's why I recommend the latter option, because when you commit to a lot of exercise by yourself alone, you're gonna get burned out and it's hard to keep continuing yourself. On the other hand, if you take advantage of your basal metabolism, things become easy. So think about your heart, right? It keeps beeping and burning your body fat even when you're asleep. Or think about your internal organs, stomach and lungs. They do the work for you without your conscious effort, and they're burning your body fat. So therefore, there's no way where you can get the best results without taking advantage of your basic metabolism. However, I still understand some of you may be still wondering, I need to do the exercise part. So in the next few sections, we're going to review the importance of your eating habits again. So, why eating habits, not exercise? So we say it is 20% workout, 80% nutrition, and 100% mindset. So there's still a myth of losing weight equals exercising. But I want you to know, first of all, this is the most important, that losing weight is to control your proper eating habit. Losing weight is the proper eating habit. This is the gist, the core of this method. On average, my clients incorporate 0 to 3 exercise per week, which is 1 hour exercise, and lose 6 pounds to at most 90 pounds total. Of course, it depends on personal effort. For those who are heavier, they're gonna have a great time because I receive favorable comments from those people because they have lost the first 10 to 40 pounds without any sort of exercising. It's hard for them to move in the beginning, so it's a great way. If you don't eat properly after workout, what's gonna happen is there are people who go to bed after working late at night. They lack a proper nutrition habit. Then they will lose the muscle mass and they may gain some body fat. To make things worse, they may see their total weight to go down because of their muscle and the sweat loss. So, when you do a leg workout, for example, your body will try to feed your leg by breaking the muscles of the other parts of your body. For example, if you have used your leg muscle and not eat within 30 minutes afterward, your body will break down your chest muscle in order to feed your leg muscle, and you will have a total decrease of your muscle mass, which you don't want. This effect is medically referred to as a plateau effect. This is how you miss results after a lot of exercising, which is sad. Therefore, proper nutrition is the key to your healthy and sustainable weight loss. So now let's move on to learning some nutrition habit. Number 1, protein. Number 2, resting metabolic rate, and the nutrient timing. Okay. First, what is protein factor? If you don't eat enough protein, what's going to happen is, now we have established that proper eating habit is the key to your health. Then you may wonder, what should I eat? Great. So, when you think about your basic metabolisms, which is the calorie that you burn without exercising, your muscle is the main source that produces heat, that burns calories, right? Produces 9 calories per gram. Then, when you feed your muscle properly, your muscle will start burning your body fat automatically, and your muscle eats the protein. So protein is the nutrient for your muscle, and it activates your muscles. This is your protein factor: 100 to 130 grams per day for males, and 80 to 100 or 110 for females. Easier way to understand this is you make a fist and know that a chicken breast the size of your fist is going to give you 1/3 of your protein requirement. And the second portion is RMR, which is resting metabolic rate. When you eat at your resting metabolic rate, you're going to lose 1 pound of body fat per week. Here's the calculation. Regular males burn 1700 to 2200 calories per day. Ladies 1200 to 1800. And basic metabolic rate means how much calorie you burn a day without exercising. But you are not going to be sleeping for 24 hours, right? So by doing your daily chores like walking, driving, sitting, etc., you're going to burn 500 calories per day on average. So when you do the calculation, if you eat as much as your RMR, you burn extra 500 calories every day, as you see in the red. After 7 days, which is a week, that's about 4,000 calories you burn without exercising. And 4,000 calories is the calorie that is equivalent to 1 pound of body fat. So when you eat at resting metabolic rate for 1 week, you're going to lose 1 pound, 4,000 calories of body fat, right? So where does your body fat go? And it becomes CO2 and water, and you breathe out. Wonderful, right? And the nutrient timing. Okay, so when you eat little by little throughout the day, you're more likely to lose your body fat, as opposed to you eat twice a day. This is part of your survival method as a human being. Okay, so if you don't eat for a long time, you're more likely to store your food into your fat cells, just like the hibernation. So it says, please imagine a hibernating bear. Because they cannot eat during hibernation, they will decrease their metabolism, meaning that they will not burn fat. Same thing happens to humans. So unless you eat consistently every 2 to 3 hours, including protein, you will enter your hibernation mode. Some call it starvation mode or fat storing mode when you read the articles. Have you seen people on a diet becoming sluggish and tired all the time, right? Those people are really not eating enough. They may lose weight by losing their muscles, but what is healthy for you? Therefore, the right focus must always be to create a good lifestyle habit and feed your body with proper nutrients. When you master these habits, your natural body process is going to start eliminating unnecessary body fats. More specifically, it is important to eat every 2 to 3 hours and feed your body with some proteins. That's why we recommend 10 a.m. protein snack and 4 p.m. protein snack between meals. By keeping those habits and keeping your muscle activated throughout the day, you will be able to lose your body fat in a healthy, sustainable, and easy way. Okay, so I'm very happy you have gained a proper understanding of why eating habit is more important than exercising, and how you can start eating properly by incorporating protein. When your body starts changing, you're going to start enjoying life more, because fatigue comes from fatigue for a reason. Once you have created a successful nutritional lifestyle, you have now acquired a sense of accomplishment, and now you can do everything and anything. I love watching people getting more active and achieving more. So thank you for taking your precious time to read through this report. Awesome. I'll see you soon.